Story time. So I decided to visit my friend this weekend to check on him, but the man had errands to run. He had work to do on his car, so that meant a trip to Mechanic Village. He wanted to buy new seat covers to refurbish his car and give it a new look and feel. So guys, the issue is that the mechanic, who is a very good mechanic, said he doesn't like buying car parts from the Mechanic Village because the guys there make it expensive. He prefers to buy spare parts from dealers on the streets. Anyway, we were still thinking that things would be cheaper at the Mechanic Village. In any case, before we went to the Mechanic Village, we checked at a shop close to the mechanic. Ladies and gentlemen, their prices were high. They were ranging from 35,000 naira to 45,000 naira. This didn't sit well with our budget, which was about 25,000 naira. Here we are in Mechanic Village. The road in that place will further cause damage to your car and you will patronize them. We went to my guy's frequent seller, but their price was not friendly to his budget. They were between 45,000 naira and 75,000 naira. After much haggling, we opted to go back to the street where we got one for 15,000 naira. Who would have thought that we would return to the street? Even though the quality isn't the best, but it will do for now. Why are car parts expensive? Are these parts more expensive in the so-called Mechanic Village than on the streets?